In a world where all goods and services will be able to be either transacted or offered digitally, for this to happen, there needs to be the establishment of trust digitally. Digitization has changed how we're operating across a number of sectors. 5 years, 10 years ago, the number of products that were available for the average consumer to participate in, to invest in, to control their wealth was limited. The world is changing because of the digital revolution, and how identity is the foundation to enable that to happen.
Historically, companies have relied on a patchwork of identity products and have had to piece those together to really create the solutions that they need, both in terms of coverage and effectiveness. Trulioo is innovating in the space by bringing together the services necessary for an end-to-end identity platform. So with one contract and one platform, we can satisfy the needs of our customers and their identity solutions both today and also give them the flexibility to grow into the future.
Ultimately, our platform is doing three things. One is allowing people to get on new platforms with the least amount of friction. Two, allowing companies to offer the goods and services in all countries around the world and meet the regulatory requirements that are ever-changing in every geography. And thirdly, fraud. How do I ensure that the people I'm doing with I can be trusted with, and I minimize the amount of fraud that occurs on the platform? Our mission at Trulioo is to help our customers get access to all 8 billion people in the world. The common thread that I see across our customers base is that they'll come to us and maybe they're operating in 1 or 2 countries, or maybe they're operating in 5 or 6 countries. They all have the ambitions to go global. They all have the ambitions to service a broader market. We enable them through our services that allow them to do the identity for individuals, but increasingly we're enabling them to help them access and build trust with businesses.
The Trulioo end-to-end identity platform has been designed to manage the global complexities of verifying individuals and businesses. The techniques and approaches can differ by country to country, and the Trulioo platform understands these differences and has workflows built in based on the data to optimize the verification based on country. We listen to the challenges our customers have when developing the platform. Our customers are looking for efficiency in their solutions, and they're looking for global capabilities. And really with the Trulioo platform, we've solved all of those problems for our customers. We turn to artificial intelligence and machine learning to solve problems that were previously unsolvable. Specifically, we're using AI ML for fraud analysis and document verification. The AI ML is really important to get as many good users through the system and also identify bad actors. Our customers' success is our success. Digital identity is really the cornerstone of the digital economy, and identity verification plays an important role in maintaining trust and safety in digital platform and really enabling the movement of money and financial operations across all types of platforms.
The digital identity industry has changed tremendously over the last 10 years, and we can expect it to change again over the next 5 to 10 years and beyond. The challenge about the digital identity is it's a problem that will never fully be solved because what is required is ever changing. So whether that's regulation driving changes, whether it is countries coming up with new norms about how they can treat privacy, and the services available to provide identity are constantly evolving. And lastly, which is as more money is transacted digitally, fraud is increasingly become a factor that you have to continue to evolve your solution to solve for, because that changes as well.
Identity is an unsolved problem, and Trulioo is focused on really listening to our customers and making sure that our platform is leading the way in the identity solutions that our customers need to really fuel their global growth.
Our mission is to allow for a platform that allows companies to use different techniques that are available, to use new innovation to combat fraud, but importantly, to allow consumers to access goods and services in a much more seamless way.